In this video we're going to talk about the triangle side inequality. So before we start working on the notes, let's take a look at a quick demonstration. We're over here on Desmos, and what you can see here is that I have three segments put together, and I can adjust the length of the sides by moving these sliders. So I can make side AB longer, so there it's 15, and then I can rotate it around, and here's BC. And what I want to do is I just want to see if I can make it a triangle. So because of the resolution here on the graph, we're not going to be able to get them exactly, but we can definitely see that these 2 point B's are going to land on top of each other given these three lengths. So I have AC is 15, and AB is 15, and BC is 4.7. So what I want to try and do here is somehow adjust these lengths so that it doesn't form a triangle. So let's see, let's take AC and let's make it a little bit longer. Alright, let's see if we can make this a triangle now. Alright, so we can see now that even if I move these all the way down there, the point B's that should match to make it a triangle aren't going to match. And if we look at the lengths of the sides here, I've got 21, and I've got 15, and I've got 4.7. So the issue that we have here is that this 15 and this 4.7, if I add those up, 15 plus 4.7, that's going to be 19.7. And the other side of the triangle is 21. So we can see here that this 19.7 is not larger than the 21. So these two smaller sides of the triangle are not bigger than the first one. So let's go ahead and let's make this smaller. And now let's see if we can make a triangle. Alright, so somewhere right in there. So now we can make a triangle. So now again, let's look at the two smaller sides. So my smaller sides now are 14 and we're not writing here, but that's okay. 14 and 4.7, and we can see that 14 plus 4.7 is 18.7, which is definitely more than 15. So when I'm doing this, what I need to make sure is that the two smaller sides, so in this case it would be my 15 and my 4.7, I need to make sure that when I add those together it's more than 21, because if it's not, they won't be long enough to make a triangle. So now let's make the 4.7 bigger, and now we can see that we've got a triangle. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. Why don't you go ahead and move on to the next video, and we'll debrief about this little demonstration and move on from there.